To install a Poplight Cordless wall light with the adhesive strips, clean off the wall surface with rubbing alcohol. Cleaners and water can leave a slippery residue. Turn the mounting base to remove it from the light. Pull off the backing on the adhesive strips. Use the bubble level to mount the base in the correct position. Push firmly for at least 30 seconds, then wait at least an hour for the adhesive to bond before attaching the light.